Hey, Matt, good to see you again here. Paul Huet here with Karora Resources.
Paul, thanks for picking up the phone. I know you're busy, but I wanted to talk to you. We got an absolute deluge of inbound with regards to the announcement you put out today, okay? It's high grades over big intervals. I guess the market's going to say, or the university say, we told you so. We told you it would be there. And you got found what, precisely?
Look, there's three things I want to talk to you about real quickly. And as we're here, my phone's ringing off the hook. So I don't mean to be rude, but I'm going to be pretty quick about this here, Matt. Not that I don't enjoy your company, but I've got quite a bit on my plate today, and the phone's ringing quite a bit this morning. Three things I just touch base on real fast. First one is Lee Junk, new managing director of Australia. Fantastic for us, fantastic for our shareholders. Look, there's no doubt over the last 18 months, we have been in a similar situation as others in WA, where we've struggled with turnover rates. We've had some higher turnover than we wanted. Lee brings a lot of experience in underground mining, but he also brings a massive network, which is going to be very important. We think this is going to settle down quite a bit. In fact, we already know there's some people following him that are joining our company. So this gives us a lot of excitement because high turnover rate isn't good for anybody. More importantly, think about where we're headed. Where's Karora heading? Karora's next year, 24, is going to be our most aggressive year since I've been here on the nickel. Lee's an expert on nickel. This guy here knows nickel well. He knows the WA district. He knows Kambalda. He's had some very good wins on the board. We're going to be negotiating new contracts with BHP this year. Him at the helm will be phenomenal for us as we continue to deliver into our growth plan and look around, looking for things like Spargos. We've got that massive land package at Higginsville. It's up to Lee to start unlocking this. That's the first thing. Welcome aboard, Lee. Second thing, we just had an analyst site visit, Matt. We had 6 people on site. It was the first one ever. The first time we've ever had an analyst site visit. We couldn't do them because of COVID. Went very well. I would encourage anybody who's taking the time to look at this video today to go and read those reports. Those reports are independently written by independent writers. I would encourage you to go read what they have written about us because there's some good information in all of the reports. And look, lastly, I can't help but talk about the press release today. We've been drilling at Beta Hunt now, Matt, what? Really 3 years. I've been here 4.5 years, but we didn't drill the first year and a half. People go, well, you've been here almost 5 years, Paulie. That's true. However, remember, the first 18 months, we did 0 drilling. Why? We wanted to renegotiate the royalty. In fact, we bought Spargos to use as a strategy to say, look, we're going to put everyone in Spargos and not drill at Beta Hunt until we could get into something meaningful, something that mattered to our shareholders. And that reduction in the royalty led to us drilling. Now think about what we've accomplished. Think about where we started. 5 years ago, I come into the door, I meet with you. We have 400,000 ounces in total, measured, indicated, inferred at Beta. 400,000 ounces. Today, after depletion, and by the way, Karora is going to hit 500,000 ounces of production in 2023. But after depletion, we've got 2.4 million ounces at Beta Hunt. So in less than 3 years of drilling, you think of any company after depletion that's added 2 million ounces, and look what we see here. We've discovered new shears, the Fletcher, a new shear. And let me tell you about Fletcher. It's not included in the resource. It is excluded. These drill hole intercepts are excluded from our resource. I don't know if you can hear my phone. It's driving me nuts. It's going bing, bing. Anyhow, these intercepts are not included. You could look at them in the press release, but let's just read them off here so I get the exact numbers because they're so exciting. We hit 6.5 grams, 26 meters wide. And we're drilling this from underground. So these shears are pretty vertical. It's not a true width, but look, we're drilling it at a very good angle so we know it's not completely oblique. Inside that same hole, we also hit 7 meters of 46.5 grams. That's massive. Everything we see, all the shears. Now think about this. We have another intercept, 900 meters, so 1 kilometer north of this. 1 kilometer north of this, Matt, we have another intercept that's 6.2 meters of 2.7 gram, and that's what we've been mining with 4.8 meters of 3.8 grams. So think about 1 kilometer north, I've got 5 meters of 3.8 gram. I'm currently mining 2.6 gram here, and we're making money here. We're adding to the balance sheet. We're creating value. And everything all the new shears, the 2 million ounces we found come from Cowsill, Mason, Larkin, again, Fletcher, zero. These are all going to be updated in the new resource update, provided we get more holes into them. But 1 kilometer away, we have no drilling intercept, no information because there's no drilling. So when you start to see this, everything that we see on Fletcher resembles identical to Western Flanks, which is our #1 shear, by the way. 60% of our tons and ounces come from Western Flanks. It appears as though we've got something that mirrors it that could be wider and every bit as much in strike. So we're talking 1.5 to 2 kilometers. Our whole system is about 5 kilometers here. Look, these are big shears, vertical shears, very, very consistent, very different than anything I've mined ever in my life. So I don't mean to be rude here, but I'm just going to close in this. We got, look, 6.5 gram, 26 meters, 46.5 gram, 7 meters. Matt, I got to go. See you, Matt.
And there he goes, folks. You want to see what excited CEO looks like? That's what he looks like. They're onto something big here. It's obvious. We'll try and grab him another time and see if we can get some more information out of him. Okay, bye, guys.